Testers, we're gonna do a race right now. Whoever loses gets to do the other person's chores. Hey Testers, it's me, Tiffany Taylor, and today we're gonna be opening these peanut ballerinas. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram. This is it right here. Now, let's get started. Now, we have to open it. Oh, yes! I can feel it. Here's the tag. I can't open it. I want to tickle the collector's eye. Whoa, not open it! Ah, it's cracking! Oh, what are you opening? Just do it, Mommy! I'm gonna do it. Whoa! Wait, no confetti. And they have a yummy smell. What smell is it? I think it's that an ultra rare. We shall trade. Okay, here I go.
Your turn. Open it.
Wait.
Black. Black.
Black.
Black.
1, 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
But
It's
no
a cool
confetti come out.
Okay, no confetti. Gummy bears. It has some gummy bears. Yellow and a turquoise blue. And she has a shirt. Hazel got this one. It is a donut. And it has pink frosting and white frosting on the bottom. This is how you play with them. You put them in. So you put it in this flap and hold her legs. Hold it. And then you get the other one and put it here. That.
I need you so much.
Woo! And they start spinning. Woo! He's spinning. I'm gonna fall. Okay. Testers, we're gonna do a race right now. Whoever loses gets to do the other person's chores. Let's go. Put it on the coat.
And go.
Again. Okay, let's try that again. Hazel, are you opening it? Let's try it.
And go.
I know you love it.
Come on. Oh, there we go. I guess I lost. Wait, I have to do Hazel's chores. Aw. Guess we gotta do Hazel's chores. Get the paper into my pile. Oh, bye, collector's guy. Bye. Bye, trash. So I hope you're enjoying this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Twirl, 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 twirl.